How long should I cook frozen ham without defrosting it?
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to tackle a common kitchen quandary: how to cook a frozen ham without defrosting it first. It might seem daunting, but don't worry, with our guidelines, you'll be able to serve a deliciously cooked ham in no time. Remember, the key is patience and a low, slow heat.
Why cook frozen ham?
Before we get into the how-to, let's touch upon why you might want to cook a frozen ham. Maybe you forgot to defrost it, or perhaps you're short on time. Regardless of the reason, it's entirely possible to cook a frozen ham without defrosting it, and with the right technique, it can taste just as good as a defrosted one.
Preparing your ham.
Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. To start off, you'll want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. Place your frozen ham in a roasting pan, with the flat side down. You don't need to remove the plastic cover or the pop-up thermometer if it has one; they are usually oven safe.
Calculating the cooking time.
Here's the crucial part: calculating the cooking time. The rule of thumb is that a frozen ham takes approximately 1.5 times the amount of time a thawed ham would take. So, if you have a ham that would normally cook for 2 hours if it were defrosted, you're going to want to cook your frozen ham for about 3 hours. However, keep in mind that this is just a guideline. The exact cooking time can vary based on the size and shape of your ham, as well as your particular oven. It's important to check your ham periodically to avoid overcooking.
Checking the temperature.
This step is crucial to ensure that your ham is fully cooked and safe to eat. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature of your ham. You're aiming for a temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Ensure that the thermometer is not touching bone, as this can give an inaccurate reading. There you have it, folks. That's all you need to know about cooking a frozen ham without defrosting it. It might take a bit longer, but with patience and careful monitoring, you can transform that frozen chunk into a delicious, tender feast. So, the next time you find yourself with a frozen ham and no time to defrost, don't panic, just remember these steps. Happy cooking!